In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an About Us page on Shopify, a crucial component of establishing your brand presence online. Let's jump right in and start creating a page that truly reflects who you are and what your business stands for. You'll find this process easy to follow and rewarding as your brand story unfolds on the page. First, let's head to the Shopify homepage. This is your main hub for managing your online store and all its components. From here, navigate to the Online Store section, where you'll find a variety of tools to customize and optimize your website. Once you're in the Online Store section, look for a subcategory labeled Pages. This is where you'll manage and create individual pages for your site, integral for detailing information that doesn't necessarily fit within the confines of product listings or blog posts. Clicking on Pages brings you to a new screen, showing any current pages you may have. Now, we're going to add a new one. Look for a button marked Add Page. This is your gateway to creating fresh, engaging content. Clicking here will open up a template for designing your new page. At this point, you'll want to focus on the basics before diving into the creative part. Start by entering a title for your page. A simple About Us works perfectly, ensuring visitors immediately know what to expect when they click through. Titles are your first impression, so keep it clear and straightforward. Next, let's move on to the content section. This is where your creativity shines through. Write the story of your brand, detailing its origins, mission, and vision. Does your company have a unique founding story or a mission that sets it apart? These elements are crucial and can turn a visitor into a customer by fostering connection and trust. Remember, simplicity is key. Ensure that your text is easy to read, well-structured, and free of jargon. Visibility is the next element to consider. Make sure the page is set to visible rather than hidden. You'll find this option right under the content area. Setting your page to visible ensures the page is accessible to your customers as soon as you publish it. Misplacing this step might mean your hard work goes unnoticed, so double-check to see this is set correctly. Finally, all that remains is to save your work. Saving is the most crucial step. It ensures all the information you've crafted safely makes its way to the web. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. Give it a click, and voila, your About Us page is live and ready to be visited by your audience. By completing these few steps, you've not only added a valuable page to your site, but you've also given your visitors an insight into the heart of your brand. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and happy selling!